Once you open up the bit.ly link, you'll get this folder with directions and your templates. You're going to open up your templates. You'll see you have two here. We'll talk about that in a second. The first thing you can do is play around with the background to get a color that you'd like. I have it set on a gradient, so you can play around with those, or you can always change it to a solid if that's your preference. I don't really like that yellow, but we'll change that later. So this one has a double text layer so that you have that offset outline. We'll play around with that after. This is just your single text layer. In order to edit, double click, type in the name of whatever folder you're going to be changing, and then you can edit the size of that by clicking on any of those toggle points on the outside of the square. If your folder has 2 words as the name, you can just copy and paste. You'll get that second word down there. If you want to resize these together, click on both of the words and you'll see that box that surrounds both of them, and then you can resize them so that they are proportional. They're not grouped, so you'll be able to move them. You can see that in a second. I'm going to change that to blue. I don't like the yellow, and you can see how I can move them separately because they're not grouped. Once we're ready, we're going to go to File, go Download, and click PNG. That's really important because that's going to create the transparent background where you see the white behind the circle there. Go to your Downloads folder, open the file, select All, and copy. You're going to right-click on the folder that you want to change, select Get Info, and then you see the folder icon. You're going to click on that, and you're just going to click Paste. And you'll see you have your custom icon. If you ever want to get rid of that, you can just click on the icon and delete. I'm not sure why you would want to do that, but here we go. We can just paste it back in. Now let's go to our second one. Again, this is offset outline, so it's 2 layers. You can click on the first layer and edit, and then cut. So you can edit the bottom layer. In order to resize them together, select all and then deselect the circle. So now you have both of your layers together that you can resize. Again, I want to center it, so I'm going to select all, deselect that circle, get it a little bit in the center. So I'm good to go. Now I'm going to download again as PNG. And I'm going to look at my new folder here. I'm going to rename this Icons. Select my download of my custom image, select all, then right-click Get Info. Click on that icon and paste. And there you have your custom icons. Click on the bit.ly, type it into your browser in order to get access to the templates. Enjoy!